Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a size chart to your WooCommerce store. Now before we begin, I'll have to notify you again that in order to be able to start a new store in WooCommerce, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription. This costs like $40 or $50. Uh, Now, you can see, I didn't pay for this subscription, but if you did, I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow the instructions I'm gonna give you, you're gonna be able to complete the task and add size charts in WooCommerce. Now, let's begin by following these few steps together. The first step is to install a size chart plugin, and, and to do so, you have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and then enter in your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar next to the plug icon right here and click on it. After you click on it, search in the search bar for product size charts. Size charts and search for it for WooCommerce. Let's click on this one right here, product size charts for WooCommerce. Now, as I said before, in order to be able to activate a lot of the features in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription, and upgrading and activating plugins is one of those features. Now you're gonna click on upgrade and activate, and click again on upgrade and activate, and here you're gonna pay for a sum of $40 for a WordPress business subscription right here. Once you finish the purchase, install and activate the plugin. The second step is to create the size chart. After you activate the plugin, go to the plugin settings and create a size chart. After that, add details like measurements and upload relevant images. All these features are going to be accessible in the product size charts plugin for WooCommerce right here. Now for the third step is to assign the chart to products. Edit a product and link the size chart in the product options, and it will appear on the products page. And that's it. If you follow these instructions, you're gonna be able to add a size chart in WooCommerce. Now, if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.